Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Queen Mother and the Queen, chapter 40. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Queen Shishaning and Queen Jiangshu. Still, the Queen Mother wants to provoke Queen Jiangshu. At this moment, she won't really stop teasing her, and she cannot really refuse her. Although right now she looks really uncomfortable, she was really blushing, and the Queen Mother continued teasing her. Look at her. She was really blushing. Her face is all red. Queen Jiangshu. Now, she was calling the Queen Mother. Sister, I can't. Looking at her face, it seems that she really can bear it, but the Queen Mother herself suddenly got paused and looking at her. Now she was also blushing. Probably she's seeing the vulnerable state of Queen Jiangshu, so that somewhat she suddenly paused and wants to look at her. But she only said, "You don't want to do it." She was questioning Queen Jiangshu. Queen Jiangshu answered and said, Well, hearing this right now, of course, she continued to tease her. If you don't tell me how did I know about it? Jiangshu said, it's just a massage. But Queen Jiangshu said, it was not. And Queen Shishaning, she continued to provoke and tease her. Why is this? Well, this is a massage for her. Of course, it was really not massage. Queen Jiangshu wanted to tell her. But it seems that she really can bear it. The teasing and provoking of Queen Shishaning at her. She was really trying hard just to avoid it, but she can really bear it. Queen Shishaning, at this moment, she was really blushing also, said to her, "Do you like it or not?" Oh, she was really tricky, even though right now, she know that Queen Jiangshu is really hard to bear it. And right now, all she can do is to obey her. Especially, Queen Jiangshu said, "I am." It turns out, she really liked it. Someone is still. She was really holding herself. Of course, Queen Jiangshu sudden hug Queen Sishaning, and it makes sense. Queen Mother suddenly paused and looking at her. Suddenly, get back again. She touched her gently, looking at her. Now she's not restraining herself. Also, she really want to bear it. Jiangshu, she said, "Oh," and she was holding herself at this moment. Well, I bet she was really screaming. Queen Shishaning said to her, "Why are you so excited?" Well, she continued to tease her again. Right now, without any hesitation, the Queen Mother is really free to do whatever thing she wants. And right now, Jiangshu said to herself, "It's all fresh like this." Well, if this is the service that the Queen Mother said to her, is this called a massage? Well, it's not like a massage, but it's like a torture for her. Look at Queen Jiangshu now. She really can bear it. She almost passed down, right? Now, her feet is really shaky. Because Queen Mother still kissing her until now she continued. The Queen Mother still not stopping nor restraining herself to tease her so much. It's like right now, did she really explode on happiness? Well, it seems like she really exploded. Although, look at her. This is the first night in her life. Queen Jiangshu said to herself, well, of course, it is really her first time to experience. And it really makes sense. The Queen Mother is the one who's doing it. This is the depth she has never set foot in. Said again to herself, of course, it's all thanks to the Queen Mother. Well, she really blushing. It was a feeling of warm, turbulent, and jerky. It's the person in front of you. Well, How did she feel right now? Sudden change and also sudden realization that sink into herself that it's been exploded right now. Queen Jiangsu, at this moment, since she come back to her senses, went into the pool. She is really rushing forward, went straight to the pool. And it really makes sense. The loud sounds of boom. Well, she really splashed on the water. She really left Queen Xishaning on the side of the pool. Right now, Queen Xishaning, me? Sister, you. Although she was really smart person, of course, she really get tricked by the Queen Changshu at this moment. Right now, Changshu, I will be negative for you. But suddenly, Queen Changshu, the water splashed on hers. Well, it's like she really want to play hard on her. And it makes sense, Queen Shishaning at this moment. She was only looking at her. Sudden baby comes into her mind. Now she's being childish again. Although she really get this, but for the meantime, really become happy. Right now, are you still too anxious? Queen Shishaning, she looked back and wants to go away from her. Said to her, then you can calm down first and I'll tell you after. Well, did she really want to tell her something? But after resting for a while, Jiangsu, she escaped from the bath, taking a big breath, and now wants to go away and return back to the palace. When she opened the door, she was really surprised. Look at them, there's a lot of people. What are they doing right now? A lot of girls are waiting for her. She was really shocking. They have a lot of audience. Right now, it really makes sense to her. Who are they? Whose favorite? She can be a new mother-in-law. Well, there's a lot of gossip. And it really makes sense to her. She was really puzzled. And look at her. It's like she's going to fall down. Well, she was really scared, right? There's a lot of noises and things can be heard outside. It really made her shy. What can she do? How can she answer the lot of questions for her? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my latest updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!